हेलो गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो आज हम जैसे कि कल के जैसे हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट चैप्टर अपना कंप्लीट किया वेरिएबल्स। तो नाउ टुडे हम लोग आज कैलकुलेट करेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड योर एज विथ सी प्रोग्रामिंग। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज आवर compiler or here this is our common. Hello guys, now what can we do? We can find our age with help of C programming. So now we can go and here we will give what to do. Find int is, we tell the compiler what to find. Here are a printf. Now we can go and command please enter your age. This is our, now give the user input. After that scanf %d backslash and next and age. Okay, now we go for the next line. Here we go to printf go for enter your age. I think enter your age, or here if we go for okay, enter your age. Next line %d backslash next line and age. Okay, next line is now we can want to check. Yes, he is asking that enter your age. We give 3 and he prints okay, age is 3. The like wait when I put this. Now enter your age like 30. If want to add else if conditions, if my age is less than 18, अगर ऐसा होता है printf करा दो. I am not able to drive. Okay, else please enter 18 0 and age not able to drive. But it's not run. Don't worry. We will go the next video. Subscribe.